Every auto repair shop has a list of past customers who have not been back in a while. Hidden inside that list is revenue that many businesses never tap into. AI customer reactivation helps bring those people back with automated messages designed to reconnect, re-engage, and encourage another visit. A simple message offering a reminder, inspection, maintenance check, or special promotion can restart the conversation. These are not cold leads. These are customers who already know your shop. That makes them one of the best opportunities for growth. Reactivation campaigns can be scheduled automatically and personalized based on time since last visit or previous service history. This makes your marketing more efficient and relevant. Instead of always chasing brand new leads, you also strengthen the value of the relationships you already built. America's Best Shops helps local auto repair businesses use AI to activate overlooked customer databases and turn old contacts into new appointments, helping fill slow periods and improve overall revenue performance.